All right, all right. End of the week. So let's just do some quick dailies. Obviously, an uptrending bar. We opened up higher, so we made a higher high and a higher low. So we're in an uptrend. We can see the divergence right here. So you just got to watch your downside. People are pretty positive on the market, and it looks like we are going forward with this. And the weeklies too. This is an uptrending week. And I see no reason why we should let it do otherwise. So, hey, we're just going to let it run and be happy about it. We still see the divergence. You can see the momentum tapering off. Could be a reset, and then the momentum gets aggressive on the way up. But we do have some downside risk. So just monitor your risk. What more could we say? Let's look at Bitcoin. And we could just ignore that thing. Oh, I guess we can't ignore that. Bitcoin on the daily. Divergence here. You got to watch that topping pattern. Be careful. The divergence triggers if it breaks this pivot low. Otherwise, we remain bullish on it. It could be an entry here and breaking the 5509.72. I'd say we're going to have a good run to about 60. I don't think that it's been that high or hasn't in quite a while. Here's the weekly. Oh, yeah, there it is. So, yeah, your next resistance is going to be 59,500. And the weeklies could be a divergence. I mean, we got to watch this. I mean, it could turn around and start a trend down. This could be a lower high, but based on the dailies, I'd be confident to say that this is still moving up. I'd be looking for that that 55 number on Bitcoin. And we're not going to do Exxon and all of that, SPY, Tesla. I mean, it's all good. We looked at it today. We looked at Disney. Let's look at, no, we don't want to look at Amazon. Let's look at AMC, because I know a lot of people have interest in that. And what are we looking at here? Okay, we're looking at the daily. I don't like the look of this chart. Could be a flag. It retraced a little too much. I think the momentum is rolling over right here. Just watch your downside on this. Again, we're staying positive. We're staying bullish until we break that trend line right there. But just watch your downside on it. And if we look at the weekly, yeah, it looks like it's doing the same thing. Just be careful. If it breaks this weekly low, you might want to get out of it, close your position. I don't see any place to go long. So the low is 34.40. If it breaks that 34.40, then the next test will be the low of 28.91. And if it breaks that, then gas up the Ford, Martha. We going for a ride. So let's see what else we got under the hood. We're not going to look at the other markets. I'm sure they're all doing the same. Interest rates are down and look like they're going to stay down. There's not much more to go through. Everything's everything. The Fed spoke. They're hot on the economy. They're really not afraid of inflation. I'm seeing earnings come out strong or better than expected. Personal spending is down a little bit, but I'd equate that to the recent COVID Delta surge. Inflation's under check, and actually, we've peaked in COVID cases. Mortalities are still on the rise, but that's to be expected because mortalities come someday after infection. So we peaked about a week ago in infection. We're going to take us about a week or two to peak in mortality, but then you're going to see Delta taper off. You're going to see people going back to work. The summer's over. Their kids are going to go to school, and people are going to start going back to work. I think we're on our way, and we sure no, Biden can use a win. So anyway, just remember, don't trade beyond your risk. If you're feeling emotional, then you're overtrading. So everybody should stay calm, be at peace, and good luck trading.